Have you been planning on starting your YouTube channel, but you don't know how or where to begin, or you just been delaying? Imagine turning your YouTube endless scrolling journey into a money-making machine. Sounds good to be true, right? Well, it's not. But first, I need you to stop scrolling and start earning because I'm about to show you how you can turn your YouTube watching habit into a profitable venture. And it all starts with just one single step: creating your own YouTube channel. Let me show you how. This is a part one beginner friendly YouTube series. So, if you've been delaying, now is the time for you to join the train and start your journey on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my video. If this is your very first time seeing my face on this screen, my name is Nkechi, and on this channel I create tips, tricks and strategies on how to help you grow your YouTube channel as a new creator. So make sure to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload on this channel, you will be the very first person to get notified. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video. Now, let's get right into the video. So guys, here we are on the desktop version of this video on how to create your YouTube channel. This is how your screen will look. And like I explained earlier, you enter your name, either enter your Gmail account, or you create another account, which is clicking on create account. So on the desktop version, we have three options. You have for my child, for personal use, or for business. And you create for personal use. Except if it is for business, you go ahead and create for business. Just create whatever it is that it applies to you. Now we're here. So you have the option of just using your first name. If you like, you can enter your second name, but like you see, that is very, very optional. So here, let's on this video, we're going to make use of timing because I want to create a new channel for you, not to use the channel that we have created before. So here, let's say Tammy and click on next, and then you enter Tammy's date of birth. This is the basic information, and click on next. After entering the information, here we are. You have to give Gmail a suggested username that you may want to use for your channel. That depends on you. Enter your password. Just make sure that you create a password that you remember because you're going to be a YouTuber. You need your password to have access into your YouTube. So, not for any reason should you forget your password. That's the reason why you should create a password that you can remember. Because forgetting your password can make you lose your channel. Here, you either add a recovery Gmail. Since you're using this for business, I'll advise that you use a recovery Gmail, but I'm not going to use a recovery Gmail for this very video because it's just for the sake of this video. And here, it says review your account information. This is what we created. Just click next. And on the privacy and terms, just click on I agree. Guys, you'll be wondering why is my network this slow. I live in Nigeria. So we have a Gmail account created already. Congratulations to us. Now we head straight to creating a YouTube channel. A quick one, guys. Please, if you're still watching, kindly just subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so that we can grow, and you will encourage me also to keep making videos like this. So let's get right back into the video. Here, you can enter your address. You will need this when you're creating your AdSense account. So two ways is either you go to a different tab, open youtube.com, or you go to this place where you see those dots, you see YouTube option, just click on it and it will take you straight to your YouTube. Gmail will automatically create a YouTube account for you when you have a Gmail account. Now what we need here is to create a channel on this same YouTube account. And to do that, click on create a channel from your profile. Here we are now. You have a blank channel. What we'll do here is to add a picture. And by doing that, just click on select picture. And then it brings you here. You see the illustration or from your computer. I'm going to choose from the illustration because I do not have pictures on this computer. In your own case, you can choose your picture or a logo that you have created. In the subsequent video, we're going to be checking on how to create a logo for your YouTube profile, just like the one that I have on my channel. So here we already have this profile picture. Here also on your name, you can choose to make a tweak, or if you like what your name says, you can just leave it like that. I'm just going to add something a little bit like that makes it look like a YouTube channel. Maybe Tammy TV. Let's see if it will work. On the handle also, you can make a change if you have something very complicated that you think you can't remember. Yeah, I'm going to just remove the G so that I'll have Tammy TV 5K. I'll click on create channel. And that is it, guys. Your YouTube channel is created. Congratulations. In our subsequent video, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to create your banner as well as showing you how to upload your very first video. Bye. So here we are on the phone screen. Is either if you have a Gmail account before, you enter your Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account before, you say create account. And in this case, I'm creating for personal use. I'll use my name for this creation. Choose the basic information, which is the date of birth. And here it says suggest a username. Okay, TV. Okay, let's see. That's good. Input this password. Okay, it has accepted our password. Here now we go straight into review, and here you click I agree, and here our account is coming up. And voila, let's see. Let's now go back to the Gmail. This account is already existing on our phone. Now, it means we have successfully created the account. So let's go to our Gmail now and go check out this account and make sure that we already have. And see here, we have the account created already. I know you'll see she has a lot of Gmail accounts. In the subsequent time on this channel, I'll be telling you the reason why you as a new YouTuber should have a lot of Gmail accounts. Now we are sure that we have a Gmail account. Now let's go straight to step 2, which is creating a YouTube channel. We're already here now on the YouTube channel. This is already a YouTube channel that you're watching this video from. So you click on switch account. And when you say switch account, you come here, you toggle through to go check which of the accounts that you want to switch to, which is this one that we just created. So here we are. We have the Gmail account that we have created has automatically created a YouTube for us. What we need to do here is you click on your profile and then you see here it says create channel, and Here we are on the create channel. First thing you want to do here is moving step by step. You first of all go to change your profile. So let's say I'm making use of this one now. Here I have my profile picture created already. Now, coming to your name, do you like the name that you have created, you have used to create this account, or you want to make it look, really fun and catchy, anything at all? In this case, let's say Nkechi TV. Here, we say Nkechi TV. Now, you notice what I did there? And once you create your name already, your handle will automatically, if you notice the change here, your handle will automatically just change. Now let's go straight to create channel. When you click on create channel, there guys, we have a channel created. Congratulations. We have successfully created a YouTube channel. This is it. But when you come here, it looks like as nothing happened. But when you click on the profile, you see that we have successfully created a YouTube channel. Don't worry, it will start looking different and complete as we go on with the part 2 series of this video. We'll customize your channel with proper profile pictures, banner, and description that can make you look very, very professional, even as a beginner. So put on your notification bell so that when I load part 2, you will be the very first person to get notified. See you again in my next video. Much love.